Hi everyone, welcome to Kita's Sinful Kitchen. I'm Rakita and today I'm going to be sharing my butter chicken meatball spaghetti recipe. To start off with the meatballs, you'll need a pound of ground chicken. You can buy that at your local grocery store. You'll also need Sean's butter chicken masala. You'll also need half of the red onion diced. You'll need 4 cloves of garlic minced, and you will need a little bit of cilantro. And what you'll do is put all of that into the ground chicken and mix it well. Once it's mixed, what you'll need to do is get a little bit of lukewarm water in a bowl so that the meatballs don't stick to your hands. Once you've mashed that all in together, you'll start rolling them into little small balls or medium-sized balls, whichever you prefer. You'll need parchment paper for your baking pans so that it doesn't stick to the pans. I would spray that with some cooking oil, so it can smoothly come off. You'll have to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's preheated, once you've rolled the balls together, put that in for 10 minutes. And once it's been cooked for 10 minutes, flip it for another 10. Your meatballs should be ready by then. If you want to check if they are cooked or not, what I would do is slice it in half through the middle, just to make sure it's not pink on the inside and that it's cooked well. For the sauce for the butter chicken meatballs, you'll need a large saucepan, and in that pan, add in about a teaspoon of olive oil. Let it heat on medium heat. You'll also have to dice another half of a red onion. Once that's diced, add that in. Once the oil has been heated, saute that for a little bit, and once that's sauteed for about 3 minutes or so, add in 2 teaspoons of ginger, either freshly minced or even the ginger paste if you have that. Then add in half a stick of butter and mix that well. Once that's added in, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 2 large teaspoons of tandoori masala. The brand I use is Swad. Mix that well. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the meatballs have come out, add them in together, mix well, let it heat for another 5 or 7 minutes, and you have your sauce and meatballs ready. For your pasta, I use regular spaghetti, and I just boil that with some salt and olive oil for exactly 10 minutes, not 11, not 12, and it comes out perfect, and then mix well. Thanks for watching Kita's Sinful Kitchen. Please like, comment, and share.